ball for the batsman. The bails have been knocked off by the keeper. Third umpire is being referred here. Wow! Swipe clears the long on. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Opening the tally. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. That's the first wicket down in this innings. It's going to be a nail-biting finish here. Fielders are making their move in the ground. A cracking shot comes in during the final countdown. With a hop, skip and a jump of the ropes. 4 to the batsman. Delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. He clears the feet and slogs it on the onside. He slogs that into the deep square. He is on a poor spell here. An edge of the seat